Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline and I used to paint a lot and more or less realism and a bunch of other styles too. I started painting when I was like 40, so I got in the game kind of late. Before that, I did a lot of arts and crafts, nothing. I was never really great at anything or passionate. I kept trying different things, and painting, wow. When I started painting, I absolutely sucked. I painted like a little kid and I didn't care. I just kept going at it. And about a year or 2 years into it, I had like a breakthrough. I looked at one of my paintings I was working on and I'm like, wow, I did it. I got up to another level, and they still kind of sucked, but it didn't matter because I was progressing. And I tend to paint now realism when I want to paint and have the time to paint, but I also paint a lot of other projects too. I like to also paint on rocks, not just on canvas. And I started getting into painting on glass. Now, just to backtrack a bit, the past 3 years, I really slowed down a lot. The world changed. I worked full time and my job was more demanding and I got tired. The gyms closed and it got a bit, lazy, and then sidetracked, distracted. So I started this channel to motivate myself and motivate you too. So if you would like to subscribe, please do. You could always unsubscribe later, but please hit that subscribe button and I will try to keep you guys motivated, entertained, and you might learn something different, or you may learn a skill set that you can capitalize on. Maybe you like to do the flea market circuit, or you want to sell stuff on Etsy. All the things that I don't have time to do. But let's just, paint together and create and feel good. This is a channel where you can watch and feel good and let yourself dream about art again. If you had to pull out of it for a while and you look for inspiration, motivation, well, come back and watch my channel. So I'll give you a couple examples here of what I will be working on. This is my first one-on-one video basically. So I've been doing a lot of short videos just to get the ball rolling. And my first project, I think it'll be my first product, this will be the final product. So it is obviously a painted wine glass, and it's done with glass paint. Now this paint, once I put the paint on, I bake it. And you can't get it off. It's incredible. It's almost like it was fused in when the glass was made. It's incredible stuff. It's by Pebeo, easy to use, awesome stuff. So my first project will be that, and here's how it will start. I did the outlines first. You see in gold, and it's kind of thick, so it stands up a bit. And then I will be putting in the paint. And you can see it's a little bit transparent. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, bad lighting. Sorry about that. So that will be my first easy project. Wine glasses. And I got those glasses at Walmart. I think they were like $1. So I like the quality of them. Now here's a project that I was working on and I stopped. It's for a client like 2 years ago. I started it and I put it aside, and I feel so bad that I had to put it aside. But I did. And so, oof. Can you see that? I'll just back up a little bit. I'll show you the full thing. Sorry about this. And yeah, so as you can see, so that's a client's dogs. And at this point, it's considered like roughed in, underpainting. So this is oil. And I blocked in where everything is supposed to go. And then I'm going to repaint over it. Not 1 square inch is finished on this, so you guys will be like, I'm going to try to tape myself actually painting and we'll see what goes, how that goes. I'm going to have a rose here. The carpet, I'm going to try to do an intricate pattern on it. That has me a bit stumped, and we'll see. Like, this is like a lot of moldings and stuff. So this is, yeah, the work in progress. Those are the two things, the two projects that I'd like to start with. So we'll have to, I'll keep you guys posted on that. And what I'm going to do with those videos, they will be put in the description. So if you're watching this for the first, if you're one of the first viewers of this video, they're not down there yet. I will put them in the description below, links to those videos as soon as I make them. And if you guys have any ideas for painting videos that you'd like me to do, drop drop it in the comments because I may be able to do them for you. If you have an idea of a painting, you don't know, just give me some ideas. Give me some ideas and I'll just see if I can do it or not. So yeah, so that's about it, folks. If you could please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it if you like, and be sure to come back and I'll try to keep you motivated with my videos. So in the meantime, you go out and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.